QR codes stopped feeling normal to me the moment I realized they're basically physical hyperlinks printed into real life. Because think about how insane that sentence is. Human beings invented symbols that don't mean anything to us visually. But the second a phone sees them, it instantly unlocks information hidden behind them like some kind of technological ritual. And we all just accepted this immediately. Like imagine walking into a restaurant 15 years ago and the waiter goes, "Instead of giving you a menu, we're going to hand you a cube of encrypted geometry and trust that your pocket computer knows what to do with it." That would sound dystopian, because QR codes genuinely do not look understandable. At all. They look like corrupted Minecraft textures, or tiny blueprints for a machine nobody should build. Yet your phone scans one for like zero point 0.2 seconds and suddenly it knows a website, a payment link, a login, a concert ticket, a Wi-Fi password, someone's entire contact information. Like, how is information even fitting inside this tiny square? And the answer is weirdly complicated, because QR codes are basically compressed machine-readable data. Every tiny square inside the code represents binary information, which means your camera isn't seeing an image. It's translating patterns into instructions. Your phone is literally reading geometry. That sounds fake. And the creepiest part is how fast it happens. You don't watch the decoding process. You don't see your phone thinking. The camera just glances at the code and immediately goes, "Understood." That makes QR codes feel less like images and more like commands. Like you're activating something. And another thing nobody talks about is how much trust humans place into them. People scan random QR codes constantly, on walls, on buses, on tables, on posters, sometimes without even checking where it leads first. Humanity collectively decided, yeah, if the mysterious pixel square tells me to scan it, I probably should. That is an insane level of confidence, especially because malicious QR codes actually exist. One fake code can redirect you to scam websites, fake login pages, malware downloads, payment traps, meaning humanity accidentally invented digital mimicry. A fake square can pretend to be a real square, and your brain literally cannot tell the difference. And somehow that's still not the weirdest part. The weirdest part is that QR codes are technically limited. They cannot hold infinite information. Eventually, there are too many tiny squares for cameras to reliably read. So yes, there is a limit, but modern QR codes bypass this problem in the smartest way possible. Instead of storing huge amounts of data, they usually just store directions. Basically, go here, open this, connect to this, pay this. The code itself is tiny. The internet behind it is massive, which means QR codes are less like storage devices and more like portals, tiny black and white gateways connecting physical reality to digital systems instantly. And now they're everywhere. Restaurants, airports, parking meters, school IDs, bank payments, funeral invitations, medical forms. At some point, humanity quietly turned abstract geometric patterns into part of civilization itself. And honestly, the fact that society still functions because billions of people willingly point cameras at mysterious squares every single day feels way too futuristic for how normal everyone acts about it. And if you enjoyed this breakdown and the way I put it together, then a like and subscribe would really help, and comment what you want to see next.